to create any table newly, there are two methods. Okay. For example, this is my application. This is my requirement. This application I wanted to be see on here. When I search with BGV, it should come. It should show me the application. Before it come and show here, there are some prerequisites. If I search here, it is not showing now because I didn't do anything, any customization or any development related to our BGV management application. Very first step, whenever you get the requirement, okay, you need to understand the requirement very properly in the real time. Okay, that's how you will be talking to the client. For example, client is there. Today there is a meeting, requirements gathering. All the B analyst will be there, business analyst will be there, and you will be there, your team will be there, and client will be there. They will tell us the requirements. And every requirement can be noted somewhere, that is requirement gathering documentation. Requirement gathering documentation. Every requirement will be noted whenever you are there in the meeting. Okay, they will tell all the options. What is the requirement of BGV management? Then you need to understand the requirements and then you need to start working on it. And moreover, you are not only the one person where you will be working on the application. Remember, there would be the team structure. I already introduced you in the demos purpose. Okay, there should be some team, whether there would be manager, ServiceNow related managers will be there, tech lead will be there, and senior developers and junior developers. All will be working on it. Okay, everyone will be having its own story. For example, story number one means requirement one. What is requirement? Create, okay, the table, for example. Create the table and add options. For example, two options. What are options? Where you want it to be add? First name, last name, for example. Okay, that is related to story number one. And story number two. Story two. How the story two will be? The other options, other six options, you must be developed it. Depends on the requirement. And this particular story can be taken by one dev one, developer one, and other guy will be working on by dev two, other requirement. This is how it will be distributed. And every story will be having its own inline. For example, I got this story. How many days it takes? You need to estimate it and then you need to inform them. It will take at least 2 days or 3 days to implementation. Here, he will tell, for example, 3 days it will take. Are you understanding? And likewise, there would be number of requirements, right? Not only single requirement, there will be multiple requirements. Every developer will be having their own work. They will start working on it.